Okay guys, for this annotation, we're going to, I'm going to ask for you to really target vocabulary that you're unfamiliar with. So the way I want you to do it this time around, I know we used the highlighter tool last time, but I would like you to, in this case, I'm looking through the second paragraph here, and I am going to check out this word creased. So the sentence states that they followed a deserted road north of Healdsburg that curved extravagantly through deeply creased hills. And so if I'm unfamiliar with this word creased, I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to click this button here, this insert comment button. And when I hit the insert comment button, it's automatically going to highlight the word in yellow, but also place a comment over here in the margin. And using, there's a few different tools you can use to seek out the definition. The easiest one is probably to right click on the word itself and choose Define Crease. And over here on the right hand side, it'll give you a definition. Okay, I know at this point in the game you're going to want to copy and paste just randomly. I would like you to actually write the definition, so type it in. It'll have a chance to get in your brain a little more if you actually type it in. If you just copy and paste, you're probably not reading it. Okay, and we're really creating from this a list of words that we're going to use later. So I would like you to not copy and paste, but in this case, look at the context of the word, deeply creased hills, and find the definition. In this case, there are two that make the most sense. So in this case, make a crease in this case it says cloth or paper. So he sank into the chair, careful not to crease his dinner jacket. Okay, so it's like a fold. All right. So in this case, I can see this word crease means something like a fold. And it gives me synonyms here. And synonyms are, as we know, a great tool for defining. So when I look at crumple, wrinkle, crinkle, rumple, those types of words, then I can think of what that might look like in hills. So it gives me a better definition. So you can even put, if it helps you, to maybe use the word wrinkle. Okay, you can just type one of the synonyms in here if that helps make, if that one word defines the word crease to you. And then just click comment and it'll drop it right in there as a comment. Okay, you'll see also throughout, so you're going to do that throughout the document. You'll see also that at different points during the reading, I've put in a box that says summary in it. And at this point, what I want you to do is just to summarize the reading that has come before it. So from word here to on the move there, I want you to summarize in this box. And then as you scroll down a little further, you'll see there's another summary box. And I want you to summarize the reading from we spent to this is your shot in that box. So these are the two things that you're doing today. You're seeking out vocabulary that you're unfamiliar with, and trust me, there's a bunch of it. Last time I had you do this, there was a ton of words that I saw on documents that were turned in that didn't have annotated vocabulary words for words you didn't know. Remember, we went through a bunch of those in class, and there were a bunch of them you guys didn't know. So please do your best to really read through the material and highlight and define words that you're unfamiliar with.